Happy spring from Plant Life Designs. Tara here, and I'm excited to talk about this new product we're offering this spring for your garden beds that's really going to help your plant material. It is called the Rocky Mountains Planter Kit, and it comes in this 5-gallon bucket, and we're selling it this spring for $73, and it pretty much can take care of everything you have in your garden, from trees, shrubs, grasses, perennials, even your vegetables as well. So what it is, it's all natural from Colorado, and it has mycorrhizae and humate and so many great things. It provides all of your macro and micronutrients that you need for your plants and really just gives them a good start to the growing season. I'll show you a little close-up here. This is what it looks like. And on the container, it tells you exactly how to apply it based on the size of your plant. And what's really nice about it is over time, it breaks up that soil and it really allows for a lot of water and nutrient uptake. And it also is great because you don't have to water your plants as often. So it really improves the soil. So we recommend this instead of your traditional fertilizer to go au naturel with this product. And I'm going to use it today on my new hydrangeas I planted last fall. So it requires a cup per plant. So I just found an old coffee cup. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sprinkle it right around the base. You don't even need to dig it in. And over time, as it rains, it'll slowly go back into the earth, and you'll be surprised to see all the great benefits throughout the summer. So you can order your bucket right now and pick it up at Plant Life Designs.